In today's video, I will guide you to the process of transferring money from Cash App to Netspend. If you've been wondering about the steps, then stick around for a clear and straightforward tutorial. Now, just a heads up before we go into the process, directly shifting funds from Cash App to Netspend or the reverse isn't a straightforward option, given they operate on the different platforms, but you can still create a workaround by involving a series of transfers. So here's a simple way to move money between Cash App and Netspend. So begin by transferring funds from your Cash App to a linked bank account, and then move the money from your bank account to your PayPal account. Now load your Netspend card by funding it through your PayPal account. And now for the reverse process, transferring from Netspend to Cash App, you can follow a similar sequence. So another option is to withdraw cash from your Cash App account and deposit it into your Netspend account, which might be the simplest way to bridge the gap between the two platforms. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should be good to go with transferring money from Cash App to Netspend. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.